In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your out-of-office status in Basecamp. Whether you're planning a getaway or simply need some uninterrupted time to focus, switching on your out-of-office status ensures your team is aware of your availability. Let's walk through this process together. Begin by logging into your Basecamp account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see your avatar or profile photo located right there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu filled with various options related to your personal settings. Now, from that drop-down menu, you want to find and select the option that typically reads either Personal Info, Me, or My Profile. This section is where you can adjust your personal settings and configure your preferences. Click on it to proceed. Once you're in your personal profile area, navigate to the section labeled Out of Office. This is where you can configure your absence settings. You'll notice an option that can be toggled to I'm out. This is what you need to activate to let your team know that you'll be away. Click the toggle to turn it on. After switching on the out-of-office status, you'll see options to set your start and end dates. It's essential to pick accurate dates so that your teammates are aware of exactly when you'll be unavailable. Carefully input the start date when your time off begins and the end date when you'll be back to ensure everything is clear. Double-checking these dates is always a good idea. It prevents any accidental mix-ups and ensures your tasks and responsibilities are managed correctly during your absence. Once you've confirmed the dates, you're ready for the final step. The last part is to save your changes. Look for the Save button or confirmation option that might be at the bottom or top of the page, and click it. This will ensure all your out-of-office settings are applied and your absence is communicated effectively. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you ensure everyone is kept in the loop about your availability, helping your team adjust plans accordingly. Whether it's for vacation or focused work time, setting your out-of-office in Basecamp helps maintain workflow harmony. Thanks for tuning in to learn this crucial skill.